Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about the daily life of an American family. This family has 5 members: a father, a mother, 2 sons, and a daughter. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about daily routines, describe family members, and understand simple activities people do every day. Let me introduce you to a very special family. First, let's meet the family members. This is David, the father. He is 40 years old and he works in an office. This is Emma, the mother. She is 38 years old and she is a housewife. This is Lucas, the older son. He is 12 years old and he is a student. This is Sophie, the daughter. She is 8 years old and she is a student. And this is Oliver, the younger son. He is 5 years old and he goes to kindergarten. It's a pleasure to meet everyone.
Hello, I'm the father. I wake up early every morning and get ready for work.
Hello, I'm the mother. I start my day by preparing breakfast for my family.
Hello, my name is Lucas. I am 12 years old. I am the older son and I get ready for school every morning.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I am the daughter and I am a student. I get ready for school every morning. Hello, I'm Oliver. I'm the younger child. I wake up slowly in the morning.
This is my breakfast. I like eggs, toast, and coffee in the morning.
For breakfast, I like fruit and tea. Breakfast is a great way to start the day.
For breakfast, I like cereal with milk. For breakfast, I eat toast with jam and drink orange juice. For breakfast, I eat pancakes and fruit.
Goodbye. I am going to work now.
See you soon. I am going to school. Bye. I like going to school. Me too. Let's go. Bye-bye. I am ready for kindergarten. Us too. Let's go.
Have a nice day. I will stay home and take care of the house.